How to categorize items by different attributes. Under Items, search for the item whose attribute you wish to add or update. I'm going to click chocolate chip cookies and edit the item by clicking the icon on the top right corner. Now, click Customize next to Attribute. And you can add an attribute such as color, size, and brand to keep track of your inventory information. So on the top right, I click Add, and I'm going to name it Brand. I make sure to select the text as the type, and click Save. So now we have a new attribute called Brand. So for brand, I'm going to put Kirkland. Add that. For type, I'm going to put it as a cookie and flavor chocolate. Click Save. And now we can search for the item by attribute detail. So if I type in Kirkland, the chocolate chip cookies show up. We can also group inventory by attributes on Box Hero. Click All, which is at the top, and choose the attribute you want to select. For example, I want to see all items that are labeled as cookies under Type. So there are all the cookies, the 4 items here: cheese cookie, chocolate chip cookies, Oreos, and peanut cookie. So grouping just gives you a simple visual overview of the items that you're interested in seeing.